When I was an undergrad, I learned about a project that Boeing was doing, and they were growing biofuels with seawater. I thought it was fascinating. I was going over the bridge one day and looked down and saw Drum Island, which is this large dredge containment facility. That's a salty landscape that only has access to salt water. I wonder if we could do seawater agriculture on these things and remediate them. And it turned out that the plant that they were talking about at Boeing was the same plant I had eaten growing up. Chefs use it in all sorts of ways, but it's basically a plant-based salt. So our intern program is designed to give undergraduates the tools and the vocabulary and the skills necessary to get a job in vertical farming. And some of them learn enough to possibly get a job in agriculture in general, or even some of them learn enough about startups to where they want to do their own venture. I think we're trying to help solve the mindset that seawater is just a problem in terms of it's encroaching on our livelihoods in Charleston, Norfolk, and these coastal towns. And we're trying to say it's not just a problem, although it's a serious one, it's also a resource. So we can build it into our landscape, we can use it in this case for agriculture. And from a restoration perspective, we're trying to solve the issue of basically dredge material handling. What appealed to me about the College of Charleston was that it's located in one of the best cities on the planet. I had such a good experience undergrad with my political science professors. They gave me the toolkit to ask questions, especially about the food and political system that the food system is within. Their willingness to let me study and write my thesis on a field that didn't exist, indoor saltwater agriculture, gave me enough wiggle room to explore and research a topic that nobody was working on in the South.